I'm Sharon and welcome to KG. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Korean style braised tofu or 두부 조림 that's all plant-based and with no oil or sugar added. So I guess this recipe is close to being a whole food plant-based, but I know that tofu is considered as processed food sometimes. But anyhow, 두부 조림 is one of the really popular Korean side dishes, banchan, and it's my all-time favorite. It's so easy to make, yet super delicious. So keep on watching and let's get started. We're gonna need 1 block of medium firm tofu. I do recommend medium firm tofu for this one. Not too firm, not too soft. Veggie broth, either the refreshing or the rich type. But just the umami water itself would be fine as well. Onion and radish. I'm using daikon radish, but if you have Korean radish, it'd be sweeter and tastier. I'm using Korean soup soy sauce, 국간장, but you could use any kind of soy sauce you prefer, or the alternatives. I'm using medjool dates here, which will replace sugar, but it almost acts like a Korean plum extract, so I love using dates as a sweetener. You could use 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar or other sweetener of your choice in place of dates. For gochugaru, you can use either the coarse or the fine type, but skip it entirely to make it kids friendly. Toasted sesame seeds will sort of replace sesame oil. Not quite the same, of course, but it'll add another layer of flavor for sure. And just for garnishing, I have some finely chopped green onions and baby watercress, so it's totally optional. So we're gonna cut up the tofu. It's all about halving. So half and half, half and half again. Then we're gonna put these in an air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so while the tofu is being air fried, we can make the sauce. So 2 large dates that's been pitted, garlic cloves, 국간장, Korean soup soy sauce, 1 cup of veggie broth, gochugaru, some salt, pepper, and sesame seeds. And we're gonna blend it. Okay, we have the tofu ready from the air fryer, so we just need to put everything together in a pot. So onions first, radish, the tofu. The beauty of this is that the tofu seems a little bit overdone, but it's okay. It's being braised. And the green onions. Oops. And pour the sauce. You know, I've made the sauce with both sugar and dates, and trust me, dates make it taste so much better. So we just need to bring this to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes with the lid slightly open. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and now you can sort of taste the sauce. And see if you need more salt or sugar or anything. It's perfect for me. Just keep in mind that the tofu is not going to be as salty as the sauce. And if you don't mind adding oil, you could drizzle about a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil right now, which is gonna be super delicious, of course. We're just gonna plate it and serve. Okay, our Korean style braised tofu or tubu jorim is ready, and let's have a taste. 잘 먹겠습니다. It's so flavorful. You know, it's a little sweet, a little salty, a little garlicky. Maybe a little more than a medium spicy for me, to be honest. But it's so good. Even the radish itself is so good. I think it soaked up all the flavors very nicely. And it sort of has a cleaner taste because there's no oil, but it's so delicious. I hope you get to try this at home. We have no complicated ingredients today, but if you don't have tofu, you can just use the radish by itself or even potato using the same sauce. And of course, you don't have to air fry them first. So this is tubu jorim. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!